Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do another wig and makeup transformation for you guys. I absolutely love doing these. So I'm going to start off with the Nyx Liquid Illuminator. I'm just going to lather this on my face. I mean, lather it on. I'm really feeling this shiny, sort of glowy skin under my foundation. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm going to mix the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop and the Maybelline 24-Hour Stay. Both of them are a little bit not the correct shades, so mixing them together gives me the perfect color. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back in and spot conceal. I'm trying not to put too much foundation on because I want that glow to shine through the foundation. Okay, Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. I'm going to use that where I usually highlight, and I'm also going to use this for my primer on my eyelids. I like it because it's super pale and it's just a really good base for eyeshadow. And I'm going to set everything that I do with the Airspun setting powder. Okay, Anastasia Dip Brow. And I have a ton of brow videos. If you guys want to check those out, I will link those for you. And now I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with that Lock-It Concealer. Okay, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I'm going to use this dark red. I'm really only going to use 2 shades out of this entire palette. This color and then a shimmery shade that you'll see later on. Okay, so I'm just slowly building that color. I want it to be pretty saturated because we're going to do a cut crease. And yeah, I want it to be as dark as it can be. Okay, to cut my crease, like I said, I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer, and I'm just going to go a little bit above where my natural crease is. I have tiny little eyelids, and if I just followed my actual crease, you wouldn't be able to see anything. So I'm exaggerating it, as you can see, and going up higher. Now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution highlight palette and use this really shimmery color on there. Okay, now with a smaller brush, I'm just going back in with that red and blending that out where I put that highlight color. Okay, same process on the other eye, building that color up really deep and then doing a cut crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead in with that Lock-It Concealer again and start doing my highlighting routine. I'm also needing to put this down because I'm going to be dragging eyeshadow on my cheeks and I need somewhere to put it. Okay, back in with that original red color. I'm going to make it a little darker here so it blends more in with the eyeshadow. And then as it goes up higher and lower on my face, I'm going to blend it out a little lighter. What you doing?
Chilling. What you doing?
Gonna come make a little cameo in my video.
Were you filming now?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Some motherfuckers can hear me talking?
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm gonna do a voiceover, so. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, so I'm just deepening that up so it blends with my eyeshadow. I do actually go back in later on and deepen it up even more. Now I'm going to go in with this shimmery shade in the same palette and sort of place that where you would place your highlighter at. Okay, I want it to be a little more shiny and shimmery, so I'm going back in with that original Revolution makeup palette that I put on my eyelid and using the same color on my cheeks. Okay, I used that same color on the inner corner of my eyes, and now I'm going back in with that original red color and just dragging that down below on my lower lash line. I'm telling you, this entire time I was like, I made a mistake. This looks crazy. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour with the Wet n Wild Shimmery Bronzer. I love this stuff. And I'm just going to, place that everywhere that I would when I contour regularly. Okay, so for blush, I'm just going back in with that original red because, I don't have enough of it on my face as it is. And yeah, I'm still at this point a little concerned. Okay, NYX Matte Liquid Liner to make the thinnest of lines because, of course, you guessed it, I'm wearing false lashes and I want those to be hidden. Okay, a little bit of Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Off camera, I do add some lipstick and lashes, and that is basically it for the face. Okay, so for the wig, I kept it pretty simple. You know how I be fighting these damn wigs. So all I did was added some braids and twists, and here is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This is meant to be a fun look. Of course, it's not super wearable, but it's super fun, so don't come for me in the comments. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure to head over to my Instagram at MakeupMenaree for a lot of daily posts, a lot of funny throwbacks. This one of my husband and I. Yeah, just a lot more personal stuff on here. Make sure to head on over and check me out at MakeupMenaree on Instagram.